So there you go. I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from this Honda car kit, Bluetooth car kit. So that's the display there, the little control here. It is a thumb wheel. You can see there pairing mode, paired phones, and then we click the button, paired phones. Got Barry's iPhone there. Now I want to delete Barry's iPhone, but if I just turn it there, no device, if you go all the way around, you've got erase all paired. I'm going to try and click on it, see if you can delete an individual phone. So if I click on that, connect, erase, connect. Right, so if we click on it, turn the knob to erase, click erase, erase. It's asking you, do you really want to? And that's it, erased, no device. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to this Honda car kit in this Honda CRZ. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth on there. This is where it's going to get tricky. It's another operation where I need 3 hands. So if I go on to here and I turn, you've got paired phones, pairing mode. Click pairing mode, and then watch out at the bottom here. It's telling me the pins 4 noughts. That's it. It's found the Honda car kit version 1.1. Click on that, and then enter the pin 0000 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I won't be using the car again, but you will. So you click allow, but not me. And that should be, that's it connected. Now then, just as a matter of interest, as I say, this, it hasn't got Bluetooth audio streaming, but if you download an app called Bluetooth Streamer Pro, there you go. Once you've downloaded it, you see there streaming off, press to activate. So if I press that, in fact, I'll just knock that off. Streaming on, streaming off. So I'll just to demonstrate, if I now go to iTunes, you'll see at the bottom Taylor Swift, the red triangle and the 3 red circles. If I click on there, you've only got iPhone. There's no option to play music through anything else. So go along. Once you've downloaded Streamer Pro, Bluetooth Streamer Pro on, switch it on, turn it up a bit, and then if I go back to iTunes, it's now showing iPhone. There you go. If I click on that, you've got the option of iPhone or Honda car kit. So we'll play Taylor Swift. That's it playing. As I say, it only plays through the left. It plays in mono through the left. It's better than nothing, but not fantastic. That's how you do it.